Welcome to Portuguese for Nomads, episode 104. I'm Sofia Mendez with Tiago Silva. Today you'll learn useful Portuguese for reporting apartment problems and requesting repairs, a midnight leak, a broken oven, or a noisy neighbor, while improving your habits and connections as a nomad in Portugal and Brazil. Let's get started. Imagine this. It's 2 a.m. The ceiling above your bed is dripping onto a towel. Your laptop is on the desk for a morning meeting, and you know if you don't fix this now, your sleep, skin, and work tomorrow will suffer. You start scrolling your translation app, panicking. We've all been there.
I remember a time I told a landlord, "It's fine," when the shower leaked. 2 weeks later, my rent was still being spent on bottled water. I solved it with one direct, polite sentence in Portuguese, and suddenly there was a technician the next morning. Small language moves make big lifestyle wins.
Here's the promise. By the end of this episode, you'll know 7 ready-to-use Portuguese lines, hear slow pronunciation, practice a full tenant-landlord call, and get a quick habit to protect your sleep, appearance, and remote income. These are neutral, beginner-friendly phrases that work in Portugal and Brazil. Let's learn them. Há água saindo do teto. Slow. Há água saindo do teto. English. There is water coming from the ceiling. Use this when you have a leak above you.
Repeat with me slowly. Há água saindo do teto. Great. Quick note, in some places you might also hear do telhado for roof leaks. Both are fine.
Phrase 2. O chuveiro está vazando. Slow. O chuveiro está vazando. English. The shower is leaking. Use this if water is coming from the shower or its pipe.
Say it with me. O chuveiro está vazando. Perfect. In Portugal, people sometimes say está a vazar. Slightly different grammar, but the meaning is the same.
Phrase 3. O fogão não está funcionando. Slow. O fogão não está funcionando. English. The stove isn't working. Use this when the burners or oven fail.
O fogão não está funcionando. Short tip. If it's just one burner, say disco não acende in Portugal or fogareiro não acende in some places, but our phrase covers most problems.
Now, phrases 4 and 5. Scheduling and polite urgency. Phrase 4. Você pode mandar alguém hoje? Slow. Você pode mandar alguém hoje. English. Can you send someone today? Use this when you need a quick repair. Practice both together. Você pode mandar alguém hoje? A que horas fica bem para você? Try saying them slowly, then at normal speed.
Phrases 6 and 7 help you keep the relationship friendly. Phrase 6. Posso ajudar com algo ou pagar a visita do técnico? Slow. Posso ajudar com algo ou pagar a visita do técnico? English. Can I help with anything or pay for the technician's visit? This shows goodwill and often speeds action.
Phrase 7 is closure and thanks. Muito obrigado, obrigada pela ajuda. Slow. Muito obrigado, obrigada pela ajuda. English. Thank you very much for the help. Remember, obrigado if you identify as male, obrigada if female. Both are polite and appreciated.
Okay, role play. I'll be the landlord and Sophia will be the tenant. After each tenant line, there will be a short pause for you to shadow the phrase out loud. Ready? Sophia, you start.
Há água saindo do teto.
I understand. Pode enviar o foram?
O chuveiro está vazando. O chuveiro está vazando.
Sure, we can send someone today. What time works for you?
Você pode mandar alguém hoje? A que horas fica bem para você? Your turn to repeat both lines one more time.
Posso help with anything or pay for the technician? No need to pay. We'll cover it.
Muito obrigada pela ajuda. Great! That full call covers reporting, scheduling, offering help, and thanking the landlord.
Now, a quick tie to habits. Fixing housing problems fast protects sleep, reduces chronic stress, and helps your skin and appearance by keeping your routine intact. When you sleep better, you have more energy, you look fresher on video calls, and you maintain income consistency as a remote worker.
Immediate practice step. Copy this ready-to-send template and send one message today. Portuguese template. Olá, bom dia. Há água saindo do teto no meu apartamento. Pode mandar alguém hoje? Obrigada. English translation. Hi, good morning. There is water coming from the ceiling in my apartment. Can you send someone today? Thank you. Try sending it in a text, WhatsApp, or email right after the episode.
Daily Habit Challenge. Set a timer for 2 minutes, speak the 7 phrases out loud, then send one real message when you find something wrong this week. Daily practice builds real confidence, and confidence keeps you presentable, reliable, and connected.
Quick recap. 7 phrases to report leaks, appliance failures, request same-day help, schedule times, offer help or payment, and thank your landlord. Use the message template in the show notes and join the 2-minute daily practice. If you want more, grab the Landlord Pack mini kit in our course. It includes written templates, audio files for shadowing, and a short checklist to protect your sleep and workspace. Link is in the show notes. Next episode, we'll cover polite neighbor lines and noise management phrases.
Learn Portuguese. Optimize yourself. Connect deeper.
That's it for today. Practice these phrases and habits this week. Remember, learn Portuguese, optimize yourself, and connect deeper.